What's up, guys? Today's video will be some honey barbecue beef meatballs. Let's get into the video.
The only one.
Here I am showing you all the ingredients that I used, and I will drop them in the description box down below where the like button is located, with the exception of adding some crushed pepper, garlic, white onion, and some escallion. Washed my beef, pat dried, added all my seasonings, and I added my breadcrumbs. In total, I used half cup breadcrumbs, but I used a tablespoon to add it as I go along, and I used 1 egg. Knead this in. I added a hint of black pepper to this and a little soy sauce. I did use a little hint of salt in this. Once this was seasoned, I rolled into little meatballs. Here I am coating with a little cornstarch to help with the crispness on it, for them to be crispy. I will not be using a lot of oil to fry this, so they won't be covered in oil. Here I am adding them on medium heat, turning them as they get a little color. Once done, I will remove them onto a sheet to drain before making my sauce and adding them to it. There they are, all done frying, not a lot of oil running from them. I will be adding these in my oven, and any excess oil will quickly come out once I add it in the oven. I used honey and some barbecue sauce to make my sauce, with a little hint of ketchup. Lots of honey I use in this. You can use until your grandmother or your grandfather tells you to stop. Any ancestor tells you to stop. That I did not measure. Then I coated my meatballs with the sauce. These are hors d'oeuvres. These can be eaten before a meal, like you go to a 5-star restaurant and you ask, what do you have on your menu for hors d'oeuvres? These are hors d'oeuvres. Party style or even at home, really tasty and enjoyable. Once coated, my oven is already prelit to 350 degrees. I will add them in the oven on a new grease paper for 20 to 30 minutes into the oven. I added me a little parsley on it just for garnish. There I added them in my oven. Here are my honey barbecue beef meatballs. Tasted really good, really delicious. You too can try them. Lots of videos coming. Please remember, guys, let me pause. Remember, the rule of the game is give me a free like. It is free. I cut one open for you to see. Thank you again to all my newbies. The day one, stay tuned. Thank you.